excuse me, why is it that you cry, I mean scream, when you in your crib? But when you get in my bed, you a perfect little angel, baby. Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Back it up, Terry. Anybody want to contribute to some paint for my house? Because she is tearing my baseboards up in her pink Cadillac. Today is Aubrey's 10th birthday. She sent me a picture of herself this morning. Here it is. My girl looks so cute. I just counted 9 bottles that need to be washed. I'm not washing them. Thank you. You already know what time it is. Did you know your mommy was a cow? What do you want for breakfast? Grits or oatmeal? Grits? Amen. You got to eat grits. Mommy is having a smoothie. Cheers. Just did it. Which outfit you want to wear? Purple or pink? Purple? Okay. Hey! Hold on. I'm about to feed her. Hopefully she takes a nap. Then we're going to go to Aubrey's school to wish her a happy birthday and have lunch with her. I'm going to call you back. Bye.